He wasn't necessarily the hardest worker, and so at the time there are those who felt he could be a fine 200 runner as well, but maybe didn't want to put in as much work. But yeah, he was a terrific athlete, strong lad, fast lad, and achieved so many great things on this stage. So good to see him being honored here tonight.
And you're looking here at the girls for the semi-finals of the 70-meter hurdles, class 4 girls. You're looking there at Shantwe Green from Edwin Allen. Comes in at 11.15. And Michaela Brown from the Queen School is also there. This is Green from Edwin Allen, just striding out. These young ladies, be very surprised of their technical ability and their speed in this, which is a technical event. For someone like Brittany Anderson coming here as championship and breaking records after records.
Kenisha Robinson looked brilliant in qualifying this morning. 10.51 seconds in qualifying. The record is 10:38, so she wasn't far outside that, but a real expert performance.
Yeah, so the ladies are waiting their introduction, have the introduction earlier of the final of the girls high jump event. I think the class 1 triple jump for boys is also underway, which is interesting because that was scheduled for earlier. So we start and we go through the lineup here. This is Tahir Grant from Immaculate. Jamara Osborne from Fair Technical. She runs out of 2. Kenisha Robinson from Hydel is in 3. And 4 is Ashira Reed from Alpha. Michaela Brown from the Queen School. She goes in 5. Dejana Foster from St. Jacob runs out of lane 6. Shantwe Green from Edwin Allen is in 7. And then to complete the lineup, Nastasia Lumley from Woolmer's Girls in 8.
Can Kenisha Robinson repeat the quality she showed in qualifying this morning? Remember, Hydel did not compete at the Central Championship, so a lot of these girls, we haven't gotten the opportunity to see them this year in a championship environment. But they have unsurprisingly turned up really well at champs. Woolmer's very good in the hurdles generally right across the classes. They will be very good in classes 2 and 1.
On your marks.
Later on.
Set to their marks. Section 2, semi-final 1 of 2. The record here 10:38, set in 2022. Malia Duncan. Once again, Grant, Osborne, Robinson, Reed, Brown, Foster, Green, and Lumley.
Set. Stand up.
The athletes here from St. Jacob just falling out of the blocks. That's Dejana Foster.
She is the Central champion, so she comes into this race with a lot of pedigree. Beat Shantwe Green of Edwin Allen at the Central Championships to the gold medal in a really tight race. And she comes in here among the favorites for a medal. But that doesn't look good. Let's see what the officials decide. They asked them to stand. There was no gun, so it is a yellow card. She gets a warning, and that will be relief for Foster. Right decision made.
And look at her there, just relief.
And these athletes are young, so now it becomes about the mental fortitude to refocus and understand that that's gone. Nothing you can do about that. Get steady, because you still have a semi-final race to run.
All 8 athletes remain in this one. Semi-final 1. 70-meter hurdles for class 4 girls.
Set.
No, they're sent away. A pretty even start in the middle. Brown from the Queen School is going well, but look at Robinson from Hydel. She's flying. Foster from St. Jago into second. 10.35. Let's wait to confirm. It is a 10.38. It would equal the record set in 2022 by Malia Duncan. What a run from Kimisha Robinson from Hydel High. It's a plus 1.2, so she equals the record set in 2022.
She looked brilliant in qualifying this morning. It was a pretty quick gun. It's not the greatest start that she got, but once she gets to about hurdle 3, tough luck on the athlete from the Queen School. But Robinson of Hydel absolutely flying, focused, compact, and a big lean at the line to get the win. Brilliant performance. That looked like it was coming from the first round. Eyes on the prize, so steady. That's beautiful sprint hurdling, and she's only class 4. Michaela Brown of the Queen School, real tough luck because she had a great shot of being in the final. I think got too close to hurdle number 2 and just couldn't recover. You get into these big, fast semi-final races and you're just not allowed to make mistakes like that.
Kenisha Robinson from Hydel, 10.38 equals the record.